on YouTube? Hey, we back. We back at a nice pond right here. Yeah. Guess what I'm trying out today? The old whopper popper. This is my first time actually trying it, so I'm gonna see how it's gonna do. I heard a lot of good reviews about it. Good hookup ratio, so we're gonna definitely get us a try today. We about to go ahead and bag the boat in here with the bro today. Got the cuzzo and my dad. We're gonna get it cracking. So we're gonna bag this in here, and then I'm gonna cut it back on once I get on there and get set up. And we're gonna see what we can catch out here. I heard there's some nice bass in here, so we'll see what it do. Look, he come. I see him coming to it. Hit it. Oh, I seen the wake where he came to it, but he didn't hit it. I can see the wave coming right to the bait. Why he didn't hit it though? Are we getting a little too far out?
Fish following that damn thing.
He ain't see no fish.
Huh?
He ain't see no fish following it.
I seen a fish following your shit, man.
I just ran a fish out from the bank over there.
Dang. There's the hit I ass too.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna say I heard they just hit it too.
Yes, sir.
That's a pretty ass bag.
Gotta be careful with these them troubles.
You had a cam on that?
Yes, sir.
You did?
I did.
Oh.
Need to get them pliers or some pliers to get this out.
If you're damn changing bait, I'm gonna stop the boat.
But we good.
We're gonna suspend it back of the boat. 2 ends.
Well,
just like that, Gerald, a damn frog.
Oh, that other frog, yeah. It's another frog in there somewhere that make a little noise like that. It's that black one back there somewhere. I think it's in that blue bag. Gotta catch one right here.
Yep, there you go.
Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh, another bass is following them. Man, that's a long fish here. This fish long. Stay still, calm down. Come on, calm down.
Calm down. We ain't going way down another fish.
He was barely on there.
Let me see that fish. Oh yeah.
Long one.
You can put him back.
That's number 2, baby. Whopper plopper.
Man, y'all know that how much. Well, I guess you'd be better to stand up. How much you leaning, make me tip back here.
Oh, I'll be saying that to y'all when I be saying
like I'm ready to fucking turn over or something. First thing I'm gonna do is, what's your reaction?
Look at that.
There you go. Hit it again.
Ha! 2 casts in a row.
Yeah, let me have that.
Saw 2 casts in a row.
Huh?
Whopper plopper.
Man, he ready to flip my ass.
They turned that whopper popper up though.
Yeah. Gerald, I'm glad you watch this shit.
Whopper plopper can't be beat.
Y'all beat. Let me wind up for you. You ready to come back from?
Hookup ratios is crazy on this thing too. Not too many fish. Don't get hooked with this. Pliers back there? Yeah. Oh, I got it out. And I'm gonna just need it for the future though. Number 3, baby. Whopper plopper. Getting the job done. Yes, sir.
Automatic now, ain't it?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna catch them. It's just a matter of time. Look at that. I'm gonna catch them.
The same damn fish.
I'm gonna catch them. Same fish ain't gonna bite twice like that.
He came up and got that.
Yes, sir.
Man, I'm gonna have to give me one of them, Gerald. Me too.
This fish got disease. You don't want him.
He came up and tapped that. Gerald, what you got? Oh yeah. They're gonna hit yours too. Just
A little rough.
hey,
But another one right there, about a 2-pounder there. Yes, fish number, what is that, 4?
Yeah.
No,
Yes,
5.
sir, number 5, number 5. Oh, the first one I think I caught off camera, but yep. He gone. Oh, I'm catching that one on here. I can already see that. Look at that. Ah, come here, boy. Come here.
Motherfucker tearing him up.
Come here.
Playing them, man.
Small one. I missed him. He came and I hooked him under him. Hooked on his belly. Yes, sir. I'll take him now. It's a fish, it's a fish. I always can tell those casts is gonna get them. The ones where I put it right in the perfect spot. Number 6, a little small one, but they biting that top water. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, something coming out of that hole there. Yes, sir. Come on, it's a nice one here. Ah, stay down. It looked like it was long. Is that a pike? Is that a pike? No, that's a bass. That's a bass. Look how he got hooked though. Man, I hooked him on the side again. They missing that first initial hit. Yes, sir. Where? Oh. Yes, sir. Nice 2.5 pounder there. That'll do, that'll do.
All right. I can get you over there by that stump right there and drop that goddamn anchor. Let y'all fish in the bayou.
Trying to give me another fish. I ain't caught one in a minute. They ain't biting that top water now. Yeah. Might need to go to a little trick worm or something. I lied.
Damn, you got that bitch.
Oh, almighty. Came off. Shoot. Ah, that was a nice one too.
You gotta go get him, folks.
That was a nice one. He ain't gonna bite again. I done hooked him. I done hooked him. He ain't gonna bite again. Shit. After you done hooked the fish, they ain't gonna bite. You might have to wait till the next day for bite to catch them. See it then.
Don't sing it, bring it, huh?
Yeah, I wanna see it.
Oh man, you gonna pull a monster out of there.
I hope you're right. Look at that.
There, go right there.
Oh, that was a big ball. Oh my gosh.
Pull a monster out of there.
That was a monster for real.
He missed him.
He ain't get it good. He hit the back hook on it. And I mean, he was a nice one.
Almost got hooked again. I guess fuck this. Hey man, I'm gonna drop the anchor for this motherfucker.
There you go.
Ah, they not biting it good, man. What is going on? Man, they hitting like crazy over here. Every cast. Look. Oh my. They not eating. They small. I see. I'm looking at them. They small. They ain't biting it. And I'm waiting for that hook set too. They just. Oh, there we go. There we go. I wasn't gonna keep missing all y'all. Slow down there, boy. Calm down.
I need to do something. I gotta rewind this. Hey, I done going on my pond. Y'all motherfuckers.
Hey, Gerald.
There we go. At least. Deep jizzle.
It sounds like he learned a look from him,
God almighty. That's how you set that hook there. Stay down. Stay down. Come on, don't jump. Stay down. It's a nice one. Trying to find that 6-pounder he's saying here. Wonder if he threw that fish back.
Yeah, I think he threw all this.
Nice one there. About a pound, maybe a little over a pound.
Yeah, you'll get on. It'll last a little while.
But it's my new favorite right now.
This show working.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, you seen that?
Solid, yeah.
Ain't no
Hit it again.
motherfucker front.
Something just came behind there and missed it though.
I just dropped the ankle. We need to get two ankles.
Yeah, because it's turning me away from where I'm trying to fish.
We got him at the house on the fence.
Got lucky there.
Come on, Joe.
Oh my gosh.
Motherfucker came up and tore that shit up again.
Ain't that big.
He said, oh my God.
Oh my god. I got bronchitis.
Oh my God.
Hey, we might have to buy one of them.
He's like, oh my God. He came and got. Yeah, everybody need to get one of them though.
Them Jones right, man. I'm telling you.
Man, everybody going.
Man, we be tearing them up right about now. The small one there.
Yeah.
It's about fish number,
And all you
I don't know,
fish
probably around about 10 to 15, somewhere in
All
there.
you can fish again is one pole. Let me see. Let me see.
Fall off that bank and make that bitch disappear.
Hmm?
I said someone come off that bank and make that bitch disappear.
Hey, who this is?
Yo.
Oh, come on, right there. Yeah. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna put it over the butterfly.
Come on, there we go. Stay down, it's a nice one.
Goddamn, that's a nice mouth.
Leave the net.
Bring him out.
He coming straight to me.
That's a nice one there, coach.
They got him.
Yeah. This top water bite addicting. Oh my god.
That bitch is tearing them up, boy.
Stay down. Come on, slide you too. Like you skiing. You skiing, my boy.
I'm gonna buy me two of them motherfuckers big.
You skiing.
Yeah, put his ass back, man.
Yeah, I
That's
ain't
way
keeping.
harder.
I know, that's it.
In the mouth, they supposed to catch him at.
Under the mouth.
Nah, he got one in the mouth too.
Oh, okay.
And one up on the mouth. Make sure he won't come off. Might do some donuts, ain't it?
Remember during hunting season, they we was running and that joint came right behind us, did the truck.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Oh, we down at that little cement bridge they call. Oh my
God.
Stay down.
They got smoking it.
Mayfly front, really. Biting my ear.
That's crazy though, how all the fish is biting about that size right there. And nothing, you know, 'cause I know there's some whole lot more bigger fish in.
They might be deeper. These aren't really deep. These kind of up shallow. So, another one there. Oh my God.
That bitch hit that motherfucker over there. Oh my lord.
Come on, ski on across there. Ski on top of the water. Ah! Man, said a snake going
What
on.
time is it?
Oh, that's your thing right there. Shoot. Did I get over it? Oh my God. Did y'all see that? Oh. Oh, he came off and got hooked on somebody's line.
Man! No, they ain't mine.
It is, might be yours. It's yours.
God damn it!
Man, he came out.
He came out the water.
He shot. I got it right
He
here.
pulled in the water though.
Yeah, I got the line. Right there, grab it.
Man! God damn, that was a monster. Hey, dude, that was the fish I was looking for.
Did you see how he came out the water though?
Yeah!
He shot about 2 feet out the water.
Man!
My camera on.
Gerald, he was about
Oh my gosh. You see how he blew up my neck?
Yeah.
Hey, Gerald.
Hey, is my camera on?
Yeah.
Yes, I got that on camera.
Gerald, he was about 4 or 5 pounds.
He was.
Yeah.
Go back. If I might get one right here. Hold on.
Yep.
That's a nice one. That's okay. Hold on. How you go from 30 to 27?
I said about 30. But we was at 25. That's 27.
I'm good. Hey, heck of a video there. As you can see that whopper popper, hey, it lived up to the expectation. It was a great day bass fishing. After that, whopper popper is definitely going to my top 5. Make sure y'all drop y'all top 5 bass fishing lure in the comments below. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe button, and yeah, and hit that notification bell so you know when I drop my next video. I just want to say appreciate for y'all for watching, and yeah, I mean, as you can see that top water, it's addicting. I think I might use that whenever I go back out fishing again. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll try to get one out probably within the next maybe week or so. And yeah, all right.